Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is the largest shopping center in Jamaica. Not only is it the largest, it is the largest in Jamaica, but it's also the largest in the Caribbean. Now, I'm not sure why there's we know why there's indisciplined people blocking the intersection, but we'll be along our way shortly. Now, you know the formula we have for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need brand name supermarkets. You need a brand name supermarket. You need to build it in a populated area, and you need food stores. Well, Fairview is built in Montego Bay, Jamaica, which is the second city, and it's built in a very populated part of Montego Bay, so it does very well. Then you have supermarkets. You have two brand name supermarkets. You have Shoppers Fair and Hilo, and then you have food stores. You have every fast food chain from Tasty, Juicy Beef, Wendy's, Subway, Pizza Hut, Domino's, they're all in here. Every fast food chain you have Uncorked. It's a very, very busy plaza. It follows the formula to a T and does very well. So we're just going to take a tour through the plaza. Also, every major bank has a location here. As you drive through, you'll see the different stores. Very successful plaza. On the left is the NCB Bank.